If I could spend one day with a Filipino historical figure, Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso. He is popularly considered a national hero, a Mansang Bayani of the Philippines. He was executed by the Spanish colonial government for the crime of rebellion after the Philippine Revolution broke out. The revolution was inspired by his writing. Rizal, widely considered one of the most greatest and most influential figures in the Philippines, and has been recommended to be so honored by an officially empanel national heroes. He wrote the novels Noli Me Tangere, 1887, and El Filibusterismo, 1891, which together are taken as a national epic, in addition to numerous poems and essays. One interesting fact about him would definitely be a voice of change because he stood strong to the colonizer, aiming for the rights and peace that the Filipinos must have during their past events. If I were to meet Dr. Jose Rizal, I'd want to speak him for his profound impact on the Philippines and share how his ideas on education, reform, and national identity continue to resonate globally, while also exploring how he would reimagine his vision for progress and social change in today's interconnected world.